Hey guys, I'm Marta Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the latest Fire HD 10 Amazon tablet with built-in Alexa that just came out today. I pre-ordered it. This is the white color. It also comes in three other colors. I believe it's plum. One is like a blue and the other one is black. But I decided to go ahead and get this one because I like white devices. And I believe this is actually the first white tablet that Amazon releases. So correct me in the comments if I'm wrong or not. I decided to go ahead and pick up the 32 gigabyte version. There is another version with 64 gigabyte, but keep in mind there is a micro SD slot where you can put up to 512 gigabytes of storage via micro SD. So I decided to go ahead and go with 32. If I need more storage, I'll just add it. So here in the back, this is how it looks. You got 10.1 HD display, 1920 by 1200, micro SD slot up to 512 gigabytes, octa-core, dual band AC Wi-Fi, front and rear camera, and it has Dolby Atmos, and it's actually dual speakers. And then here you got a little bit more information about the tablet. And over here it says what's included. White Fire HD 10 tablet, 9th generation, Amazon power adapter, USB charging cable, built-in rechargeable battery. This is how the package looks. So let's go ahead and take this out. That's how it opens up right there. Keep in mind, this is my first 10-inch Amazon Fire tablet. I did purchase before the 8-inch. But I never did a video for it, and they're pretty good considering the price that you're paying for it. So I decided to go ahead and pick up the 10-inch because I always wanted the 10-inch, but it took forever for them to upgrade or update the 10-inch tablet. So okay, this has a weird way to packaging this. Okay, so there you go. Man, what a weird packaging. So here you got this right here, which I believe is like an instruction manual. It shows you everything what's inside and the main features of the tablet. Things you should try. You got the charging cable, which what's cool about this version is that they finally added USB-C. Yeah, so for those asking for USB-C, you got it right here with a 9-watt charging block here, which actually charges fast. That's what they claim. They claim that you should be getting around 12 hours of battery life. That's if you're reading or, you know, doing some very light thing, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna last 12 hours if you're watching videos and stuff like that. So there you go. For that, I'm gonna have to test it. And there it is. Look at that. Woo! Man, it looks weird to see an Amazon tablet white. You got the little logo in the back there. I don't know if you guys can see it here in the video, but you got the little smiley Amazon logo. You got the camera here in the back, which is a 2-megapixel camera, and the front camera, which is a 2-megapixel camera as well. Here in the bottom, you have nothing. Over here on this side, you have, I believe this is the micro SD slot, right? I believe so. Let's see. Yep, you got the micro SD slot right there, which you can put up to 512 gigabytes right there. And here in the top, you got the power button. You got the USB-C charging port. It has built-in microphone. Remember, this is compatible with Alexa, so it has to have a built-in microphone there. A 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and it has the volume button right here. And over here in the bottom, it has the 2 speakers. So when you hold it like that, you have the 2 speakers blasting from the bottom of the tablet. And that's it. So that's cool. There's nothing here. There's no button whatsoever. Over here, you got the SD card. So if you hold it like this, so you got all your charging ports over here. So that's pretty cool because if you have it on a stand, you can still charge it while you're watching a video or something like that. That's cool that they put it over here instead of having it down here. So let's go and turn it on. I don't know if they still, it's been a while, I don't unpack or unbox an Amazon tablet. Let's see, does it have battery? Okay, there you go. So it's gonna be turning on here, and I don't know if it already has my information or if I'm gonna have to set it up. If not, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pause the video and set it up Let's choose English, and you have a couple more languages there as well: Español, Francés, Italiano, Portugués, all of that. You can also change the size of the fonts right away, right before you even start setting up the tablet. That's cool. There you go. And let's go click next. This is also dual band, so that means you can actually connect it to a 2.4 gigahertz or a 5.0 gigahertz. Like you see right there, I can see both of my connections right there. So I already finished entering my Amazon details and my Wi-Fi connection there. So after you do the initial setup, you get this little video here. Look at that. Can we see it in landscape?
Try asking Alexa to play music or movies.
The audio supposedly is a dual speaker. Of course, it's a dual speaker right here. And is Dolby Atmos. So
now your tablet
you got
is
the volume
even
here.
to use while you're doing other things.
This is how it sounds.
To get started, just plug your tablet in and say, Alexa, switch to show mode. Ask Alexa to start a timer
the audio
or find a recipe.
Sounds
Alexa,
pretty loud and
show
clear.
me a recipe for banana muffins.
They're coming from here in the
For
bottom.
banana muffins, here's a few recipes.
Nice.
If you want to see more, say next.
So I gotta say, so far, I like the way how the colors are popping here on the screen. I like the white tablet. I always like white devices. So I think this looks pretty damn cool.
Enjoy your new Fire tablet.
There you go. So we got the intro done. So I don't know. Okay, it says get started with Alexa, enable Alexa, make this fire friendly, kid. Not now. Not now. Okay, so here we are back again. I decided to go ahead and edit a little bit of video. That way I can get familiarized a little bit more with the Fire HD10 tablet and share a little bit with you guys my experience with the tablet so far. Since I received it and did the initial setup and installed a couple applications here and there. If you use Amazon Fire tablets before, you know what you're getting yourself into. This is Android, right? But it's running a custom software or operating system from Amazon using Android. Yes, you can download the Google Play Store and the original or the native YouTube applications, but you have to go through other processes, which I'm not going to show you guys here in this video. But yes, there is ways that you can add those applications to your tablet. But right now, I'm just going to show you guys what you can do with the tablet once you take it out of the box. Here in navigation, this is how it looks, like that, or you can use it like this, and this is how it looks when you're navigating around. If you prefer to navigate around like that, that's good with the tablet. Or of course, my preferred way to navigate using the tablet is like this, because I normally use my tablets as a media consumption device. It's great to watch videos because since the screen is wider than squarish, you're gonna see less black bars on the top and the bottom. You're gonna see here in the video, which I'm gonna show you guys a little bit as I'm talking. Here, of course, you got the For You screen. It's gonna show you guys based on your behavior, how you've been using your tablet. It's gonna like give you a recommendation and show you things that you should be like using or application recommended for you. You got VOC where you can download. If you tap there, it takes you to the Amazon App Store, and you could just like that, you could go ahead and start downloading applications. There's a whole bunch of applications here on the Amazon App Store. Like for example, the ES5 Explorer, I already downloaded. But just like that, you're gonna have a lot of applications to download, but it's limited compared to the Google Play Store, because there's applications like Fortnite, Call of Duty Mobile still not here, and other applications or games as well. But there is a good amount of applications here, normally the ones that you use. Like so far I downloaded Netflix. When you download Netflix, what's cool about this device, just like every other Android device, is that you can download videos to your storage just like you would on any other device. So remember, this has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, but like you see here, I could go ahead and start downloading a video, and I'll just download it to my internal storage right here. And like you see here, it says it has 23 gigabytes of free storage. Right now I'm using 3.1, And that's it. So when the videos download, you can watch the videos offline. That's awesome. I did download a video YouTube app from Amazon. This is the one that I downloaded, but there's a whole bunch of other YouTube applications you can download. But this was one application that was actually recommended to me. So I decided to go ahead and download it because it looks very, very familiar to the normal application from YouTube. Of course, it's not the native YouTube application, but it looks pretty good. And here in settings, if you're going to use this one, you can control settings right there. Right now, it runs at 1080p, like you see there, but you could change it to 720, 480, so on, so on. You could turn on captions if you want, normal speed, and so on, so on. You could go ahead full screen, and this is how it looks. Like you see there, looks pretty damn good. Looks pretty damn good. This video is running at 1080p. So this is a video that I uploaded just yesterday. It looks really damn awesome. As long as you log into your account, you're gonna have your history, your videos, your subscriptions, and all that right there. You got the file explorer, which I did install right here, and it shows you the internal storage, what you have available right now. Let's go ahead and put this card. I got a micro SD card here that I wanted to try it out. This is a 200 gigabyte card. This is a 200 gigabyte card. So if you want to add just a card right here, you just slip it right there, open that, right? And slide this one in, right? And that's it. Close that. Here it says unsupported storage size. Really? How will you use the storage? Use for extra tablet storage. Use for portable storage. Okay, let's go in tablet storage. So like you see there, I would actually have to format the storage SD card, and I really didn't want to do that because I have a whole bunch of videos there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set up later. I don't know if I can actually see it with ES File Explorer, even though I did put it. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, because I have to format it. So, but that's how easy it is to just add an SD card there. Most likely you're gonna see it right here. But right now we can only see the internal storage for now, since I haven't formatted that other storage right there. So here, navigation, go like that, it takes you to the home screen. If you go like this, you can actually see all the applications open in the background. We click right there, it'll go ahead and clear everything running in the background. I'll slide down, and you got show mode here, which you can turn it on like that, or you can actually say Alexa turn on show mode, and it'll turn on show mode. Like you see there, like you see, it is actually listening to me. What's the weather for today? Okay, let's see if it actually reckon. I don't think so, because since we were talking, Alexa, what's the weather for tomorrow?
Weather alert for El Paso.
Okay.
There's a freeze warning in effect Thursday, October 31st from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Look for lots of sun, with a high of 59 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 37 degrees.
Not bad. Are the Astros playing tonight?
First pitch of Game 7 of the World Series between the Astros and the Nationals will be this evening at 6:08 p.m. at Minute Maid Park.
Nice. Alexa, can I see highlights from Houston Astro game last night?
Last night the Astros lost to the Nationals, 7-2.
Oh, man.
They'll play tonight at 5:08 p.m. at home against the Nationals. Did that answer your question?
Can I see highlights?
I'm not sure which video you want.
When I did it before, it actually did show me highlights of yesterday's game, and it looked freaking awesome, which I'm going to show you guys here in the video. I think I did record it. Right now, if you don't want to see show mode, you just turn that off, and it just goes back to the normal Amazon software view. But you can still, as you're using it like this, you can still call up Alexa, are the Lakers playing today?
The Lakers will play on Friday at 6:30 p.m. away against the Mavericks.
Very cool. So like you see there, even if you don't use show mode, you're still gonna be able to use Alexa like that. If you don't want her to be listening, you just click it right there and it will just turn off the microphone. That way, if you say Alexa, it won't activate at all. If you want to go to settings, you click right there in settings, system. This is the version right now that we're using, 7.3.1.1. And when I was setting up the tablet, it actually installed the latest updates. Wallpaper, you just go ahead here, go to wallpapers, and there's going to be a whole bunch of wallpapers available here. Look at that. So if we click right there, there, very cool. There's a whole bunch of wallpapers available. Plus, of course, you can always use your own wallpaper. So if I want to use that, set it. Brightness, right now it's at 100%. It has adaptive brightness. And it's going to lower the brightness a little bit because of the video. And that's it. Let's go back here again. Very cool. So your applications that you have installed are all going to be right here. These are all the applications that I have installed. If you swipe, you're going to have the book section. From here, you could download books from the Amazon store, or you could go to your library and see your books that you own right there from that section right there. You can also swipe like this. You got videos, so you're going to see videos that, of course, are tailored to you, because remember, this is always going to remember behavior as you're using your tablet, and it's going to just show you things you should be interested in. So you swipe again, you got games and applications. Same thing goes here. As you keep on using the tablet, the more it's going to know you. It's going to show you the apps that are related to you or that you care of. Swipe again or tap right there. And you could go to the Amazon store. From here, you can see all the things you bought, or you could go ahead and buy stuff from there. Swipe again, you got music. So same thing as before. You can see all the new latest music, recommended, Prime songs, top Prime playlist. You got My Music. You could browse. If you click My Music, it should show you your music. I haven't used this yet, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to show me my music unless it actually, yeah, I think it actually knows the music that I've been using. Yeah, so me and my family been using on the other devices, so it actually knows, and it'll show you that. Audible, if you use Audible, you can see it right there. There's a book that I own, the Steve Jobs book. And you got Newsstand. Newsstand looks really good, especially when you use it like this, because you can see the pages or the news or magazine, comic books like this, and it actually looks pretty good. This right here is an old magazine that I owned from a long time ago. That's why it doesn't look like perfectly good. Go back. There you go. So if you download one of these latest magazine, it should look way better than that magazine, because that magazine right there is like very old. Remember, the main features of this tablet is a 10.1 inch screen, 1080p, 1920 by 1200, 32 gigabytes of internal storage. It has a 512 gigabyte capability using micro SD card, 2 gigabytes of RAM. And of course, what's cool here is that now it has a USB-C, which is going to give you fast charging using the 9 watts block that comes with the tablet. And also it has dual speakers here in the bottom, which is going to give you Dolby Atmos quality sound. That's what they claim. I don't know if I can actually confirm that, but they do sound good so far. Of course, it has a microphone, and that's it. Remember, this is also available in 64 gigabytes internal, but it's going to be $189.99. This is, again, like I said before, this is the $149.99, $150. But remember, with the holidays coming around, Amazon always likes to discount the prices of these tablets. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this tablet. Have you purchased before an Amazon Fire tablet? Also, if you've been using the Amazon Fire tablets, please feel free to give me tips in your commentaries. That way I can get a little bit more familiarized and get the most out of this tablet. I'm going to have to buy a case if I plan to keep it, which I think I will actually keep it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'll leave links in my descriptions for this this tablet just in case you want to purchase it from there, or you want to read a little bit more information about this Fire HD 10 tablet. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.